So we're here with our new UV air disinfection unit. This unit contains air filters in the end, as you can see here. There's one on either side. Today we're going to go over how to change that air filter. So I'm going to use this one on this side. Go ahead and turn it that way a little bit. See the air filter there? See there's screws on the top here. There's also two on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to lay this on its back so that we can access both at the same time. And all you need is an Allen wrench. So we're going to go here. Alright, I'm going to loosen the ones on the bottom, loosen the ones on the top. Alright, they're all loose, so now I'm just going to pull them all out. Make sure you hang on to the washer there. You'll need that when you put it back on. Alright, so there's the two on the bottom. I'm just going to repeat the process at the top here. So I've got all four screws out. So now this is in a little frame. It's in a box that's slid into the end of the fixture here. So all I'm going to have to do is pull this out. It is a little bit of a snug fit, so you may have to kind of work each side out and then slide it straight out like that. Okay, so as you can see, that's the air filter. So all you got to do is take that out, put your new one in, put the frame back on there just like it was, and then we're going to slide it back in. It goes in a lot easier than it comes out. And then I'm just going to line up the frame with the screw holes here. That one's started, so that'll hold that in place. And we're going to put the bottom one in here. Alright, so that one is in place. Now we just got to get the top one. Same thing, I'm just going to line up the screw holes, start the screw so it holds it in place. I'm using the washer again. Alright, once you've got them all started, you can just go around and tighten them up. So as long as they're just snug, it's good enough. That's it. That is installed. And you just repeat the process for the other side if you want to do both. Okay, now we're going to go over how to change the bulbs in this unit. So same process before. This little front panel here has 6 screws in it, so we're just going to loosen all those. So pull the panel off. So once you're inside, you can see the 2 bulbs here. Again, before you service this, you want to make sure that power is cut to it. So unplug it, turn the breaker off, something like that. To get the bulbs out, these are 2-pin bulbs. So what you do is you turn it 90 degrees. It lines the pins up with the little slots in the top of the tombstones there. And you just pull it straight up out of there. And make sure when you're doing this, you're not touching the actual glass on the bulb, because the oil in your fingers can damage the glass and actually decrease the life of the bulb by quite a lot. So in order to replace the bulb, same thing, you just line up the 2 pins with the slot and the end of the tombstone there. You want to do that on both sides, slide it straight down, and then turn it 90 degrees until it clicks into place. You can kind of hear that click and see that it's set in there now.